To the Permanent of Secretary for Trade of Cooperatives and MSMEs, Mr. Shaheen Ali, distinguished panelists for the MSME grant program. It is a quite distinguished panel. The newly awarded grant recipients, invited guests, and members of the media. Mbula Vinaka, and very good morning to you all. Reflecting on the past year, we find ourselves at the intersection of challenges and opportunities to grow our micro, small, and medium enterprises in Fiji. In the midst of extraordinary change, our response has been nothing short of remarkable. In this financial year, the Ministry has been entrusted with around 2.6 million in grant funding, which has elicited an overwhelming response of around 4.7 million from around 1,450 applicants. This tremendous interest underscores the resilience and ingenuity of our entrepreneurial community. And I kind of like the pitch that the PS has made for more funding for next year. Our commitment to the MSMEs has resulted in a significant investment of over 100 million, yielding a documented success across 3 pivotal programs. These ventures have not only boosted our economic landscape, but have also generated a commendable number of employment opportunities. However, we will not rest, and we must continue to improve. From the policy front, we are working on integrating the MSME networks and the MSME ecosystem, removing pain points to the ease of doing business, improving the regulatory landscape, improving access to information, reducing the financing gap, and strengthening the business development services. Therefore, we aim to develop a national MSME strategy or strategic plan that will have laser focus on these areas. We recognize the strength of our MSME sector is essentially the engine room for economic growth and also economic diversification in our country. And we are committed to improving the MSME landscape. Today, we are pleased to allocate close to $280,000 in grants to a group of entrepreneurs amplifying the government support for the transition of innovative concepts into viable business opportunity. Allow me to provide a brief overview of the distinguished recipients with us today. Beginning with the Young Entrepreneurship Scheme Programme, and you can stand up please when I announce. Our first recipient, Mr. Salato Yanuanurua, the visionary owner of SY Enterprise, a round of applause please, is set to revolutionize guitar part and billet manufacturing in Fiji using a unique technique. With government support, he aims to increase his production and directly supply to high-end markets instead of relying on US resellers. Congratulations, Mr. Yanyanuro. Our second grant recipient, Mr. Vinuda Seniwate, has presented an innovative proposal. Today, we are delighted to present the agreement for a specialized training facility dedicated to enhancing strength and movement through targeted exercise. Congratulations. The third recipient of the YES program is Mr. Munesh Prasad, the proprietor of Cocoa Sip. This venture will supply premium packet coconuts, contributing not only to business, but also promoting rural development, enhancing market linkages, and adding value to local agriculture. Nakavaleu. In the context of our recovering economy, these ventures embody the kind of innovative ideas we need. They not only enhance our local offerings, but also provide unique experiences for our tourists visiting Suva. With the aim to build Fiji's export receipts in this financial year, the National Export Strategy Program has 2 exceptional recipients that are in the agribusiness and manufacturing sectors. We first have Mr. Navendra Naidu, that is operating from Maruru in Ba, who is on the brink of exporting eggs to Tonga. With government assistance, he will acquire an egg grading machine and proper bulk storage facilities. The second recipient is Ngito Sportswear, owned by Mr. Aseli Lemaki. His journey from uncertainty to successfully running a business and exporting to 3 Pacific Island countries is a testament to the power of setting goals. With government support, Mr. Lemaki will acquire another printing machine to meet his rising demand. Congratulations, Mr. Lemaki. To our aspiring entrepreneurs, the message is simple. Persist in honing your craft, and success will follow. And, of course, the government will help wherever we can. Lastly but not least, under the Trade Enhancement Program, or TEP for short, we have 5 remarkable women entrepreneurs who are recipients. This initiative supports small businesses in the micro category that need capital injection to grow their businesses. In fact, I am pleased to say that these brave ladies went through the entire TEP process digitally, meaning applying and uploading their documents on the application portal and doing whatever they needed to come this far. Since inception in 2022, the TEP portal has received 4,170 applications online, out of which 71% were women applicants. They continue to debunk the myth that our MSMEs are digitally left behind or digitally incapable. Today, we are pleased to congratulate the following: Elizabeth Sawaki Rosetta, Saurara Dola Seni Lilongolosombu, Jasoda Kalesi Mbaleula, and Ms. Akanisi Andi Maliwa. Congratulations to you all. I encourage MSMEs to tap into the opportunities that may come your way. The recipients here today exemplify exactly this. In conclusion, I extend sincere appreciation to the panel members for their invaluable guidance and ensuring the success of these programs. With great anticipation, we inaugurate this event. We wish our recipients well and the utmost success in their ventures. God bless you all, God bless Fiji, and may God bless the recipients here today. Good night.